Nathan, Mustache Jack is here. He found you.
Mustache Jack.
Nathaniel Beard. I knew I'd find you. You owe me a life. Hey. Get him a drink.
Thank you, kind lady.
He's just like a prairie dog. Well, like a prairie dog that beats you. Well, I mean, there's prairie dogs, and then you mean by prairie dog, I mean, it's a metaphor for a man that beats you.
He beats you. Well, one thing I can say for the man. Sells a beer that's 30 cents cheaper than piss. But, he should not beat you.
That's exactly what I think. You are so sweet. Well, why don't you come back and see me again? Isn't Jack Jr. just the cutest little thing you ever seen?
Here, let me see it. Cute. He looks like that East Coast Beard. That guy who came into the saloon.
Well, I'm not sure what you're implying, but I think you're talking about my friend from the East Coast with a beard, Nathan.
Nathan? Look, I don't know where that kid came from, but he didn't come from here. I'm gonna make you scream like a tumbleweed. Let's finish this.
Damn. Bullet must have gone through the middle.
No, it didn't. It went through the record. It's a bullet. Records don't work that way. You moron.
My pa died the same way.